In this video, we'll walk through configuring your store's emails in easy digital downloads so customers get the right message at the right time. We'll cover what emails your store sends, how to edit one, how to customize your sender settings, how to set up performance reports, and how to check your email logs. You may have already set up your purchase receipt in the Setup Wizard. To see everything your store can send, go to Downloads, then Emails. This screen has 4 tabs: Emails, Settings, Email Reports, and Logs. We'll go through each one. This table lists every email your store can send, like the purchase receipt, an admin sale notification, and a refund notice, along with who it's sent to and whether it's currently enabled. You can turn most emails on or off right from the list status column. A lock icon means an email is required and can't be disabled. To customize an email, click its name to open the editor. From here, you can change the subject, heading, and message. Click Insert Tag to add dynamic details, like the customer's name or order total, right into the text. Head over to the Settings tab for everything that applies across all your emails. Choose your template, upload a logo to show at the top of your receipts, and set your from name and from email so customers recognize who the message is from. You can also set a separate address for admin email receipts. Running into deliverability issues, Easy Digital Downloads recommends WP Mail SMTP to get your emails sending reliably. The Email Reports tab sends you a regular summary of your store's performance, including revenue, new customers, and your top products. Choose a weekly or monthly frequency, pick who receives it, and turn on Send Report Summaries. Click Send Test Email anytime to see exactly what your team will get. Finally, the Logs tab records every email your store has actually sent. If a customer says they never got their receipt, this is the first place to check. If it's logged here, Easy Digital Downloads attempted to send it, so the issue is likely with your web server or email provider, not the plugin. Before you launch, run a real test order to confirm everything's working. And that's it. Your store's emails are ready to go. Next up, we'll show you how to test your store and launch with confidence. Find the full video and written guide, along with every other step, at easydigitaldownloads.com/start.